Hello students, welcome back, and today we will have our English speaking session as usual, and the topic which we will cover today will be based on the subject mathematics. So first of all, we will start with our amazing facts. Fact number 1, in a room of 23 people, there's a 50% chance that 2 persons have the same birthday. Amazing? Yes. Second point, minus 40 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit both are the units of measurement of temperature. Okay. Now we will do some GK questions. So question number 1, angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees are called? Answer is reflex angle. Second question, who invented the equal sign? We all know equal sign? Yes. So it is invented by Robert Recalde. He was a big mathematician. Students, we will do one very amazing and interesting facts about maths, that how to find the squares of number from 53 to 59 within few seconds. So just see and focus and you will get your answer. So what we will do, we have to do the square of this unit place value. 3 3s are 9. Here also 4 4s are 16. See, we need the answers in 2 digit. It is coming in single digit. So write here 0. And what we have to do, we have to add what? 25. In unit place digit, 25 plus 3, it becomes 28. So answer is 2809. Check it here. 4 4 is 16 we got. Okay. Now we have to add 4 in 25. 25 plus 4. Answer came 29. Answer is 29. One more example I will give. Suppose we can take off 59. 59 square. 9 9s are 81. And we have to add 9 in 25. 25 plus 9. Answer will come 34. It is 3481. Interesting? Yes. So from 53 to 59, in this way we can find out the square of any number. Now students, we will do some news. Okay. News is also very important part of our life. We must know what is going on in the world and in our own nation. So first of all, we will start from some international news. News number 1, New York City apartment building fire kills 19 persons including 9 children. 32 people had been hospitalized with life-threatening injuries and some near about 60 people were injured in total. So it was a big loss. Okay. Second thing, this is news from Sri Lanka. As we all know that Sri Lanka is facing lot of problems due to COVID-19 pandemic and all. And they had taken lot of debt from the Chinese government. So what happened yesterday? Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa meet Chinese Foreign Minister, flags economic crisis arising out of pandemic to restructure the debt owned by the island nation to the Asian giant. Now some news from our own nation. News number 1, 4 judges including 5% of Supreme Court staff test positive for COVID-19. News number 2, PM's photo removed from vaccination certificate in poll-bound states. As we all know that it was that Mr. PM Narendra Modi was having the photograph on the certificate of that vaccination, but now due to these elections, okay, his photo is removed by the election commission for some time from this certificate. So now we will do last but not the least, thought of the day. It is actually a very important saying by a very famous mathematician. His name is William Paul Thurston. Okay, he was a big mathematician, and what he thinks, what he said about mathematics, that mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is about understanding. This is right. Mathematics is just a thing which you have to just focus. You have to understand it. Okay, so students, see the video, learn from it, and we will meet tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye.